Okay, here is a form that we made in the previous video. What we're going to do today, we're going to make this a fillable form. Now, here we have the date, right? And if somebody is going to complete this form, there are different persons could interpret the information that is needed differently. So some persons might put the date in a long form, a short form, a European style, and American style. Some persons might put the date before the month or the month before the date. So what we're going to do in today's video, we're going to put some content controls on the different parts of the form to make it a fillable form so that it forces a person to enter the information how we want the information to be entered, so that when we are processing the information, it is easier for us to do our job.